Okay, the nominees are out for Canada's Best New Products Awards. Megan and Rybko, back on the show, joins us with some of the highlights of a few of the products, because there's hundreds of nominees and we don't have that big a table.
Yeah.
So you brought a few of them.
Exactly.
Good to see you.
Nice to see you.
Okay.
Thanks for having me.
So let's before we get to some of the products that we have on the table, remind us how this works again.
Yeah, for sure. So there are, thousands of new products launch each year. It's hard for consumers to know, what are the best products. So essentially brands submit their innovations, consumers vote on them, and then we announce the winners in January.
In January. So it is up to us who the winners are.
100% consumer voted.
Okay. So what did you bring for us today?
Yeah, so lots of great products. So here we have the Tefal Easy Fry and Grill Extra Large Flex Cook Air Fryer. So what that means is it actually has a flexible cooking zone. So there's a divider. You can actually cook two different things at the same time. So you can grill your protein on one side, fry your vegetables on the other side, and then everything will be ready at the same time and makes dinner time super easy and convenient.
Okay, I'm not on the air fryer train as of yet.
You gotta get on it.
I know a lot of people are, and they're loving it because it's kind of changed the way that they cook things. So
really got to get on the air fryer train.
What?
Dessert.
From air fryer to desserts. Let's go right to desserts.
Yeah, for sure. So this is the Haagen-Dazs extra layers. So velvety ice cream, smooth sauces, crispy layers in every single bite. It comes in 4 different flavors. So berry explosion, mocha cheesecake, triple chocolate, and salted caramel chocolate. And personally, I'm going to be eating this by the spoonful tonight.
Which do you know? Have you tried this? Do you have a favorite?
I have tried it. Okay. Mocha cheesecake is personally my fave.
Because look at it's all layered in there. Yeah. It means that you're getting a little piece of it in each bite.
Exactly.
So obviously Haagen-Dazs is not a new product, but this extra layers is the new product within the Haagen-Dazs brand. That's why it qualifies for that. Okay. So from ice cream to cleaning up any ice cream spills.
Yeah. So germ season is definitely upon us. This is Family Guard disinfectant cleaner. So it actually kills up to 99.99% of germs, viruses, and bacteria. It's actually safe to use in households with both kids and pets because it's made without any bleaches, no solvents, and no ammonia.
Okay. What happens to the other 0.1%?
Oh, it dies off.
Yeah, it dies off. Perfect.
Yeah,
that's where we want to go to. Okay, so there, and then into some beauty products.
Yes, so this is the Revlon One Step Voluminizer Plus. So it's going to give you that salon quality blowout at home. Perfect for you.
Love a good blowout, right? You know what I mean?
No, but it's going to save people time in the morning when getting ready. It has 4 different heat settings. It's a really great and easy product to use.
How many products do you know?
I know all the products.
Really? I know, but you get to know everything.
Yeah,
right?
I love to try all the products, and they're all great products.
Are there ones right in front there? Is there a little lipstick?
There are. So that is the Burt's Bees Gloss and Glow Glossy Balm. So it actually has the hydrating benefits.
Should I get you to say that again?
Maybe not, but it has the hydrating benefits of a lip balm, but a glossy finish like a lip gloss. It's actually made with responsibly sourced ingredients such as mango butter and coconut oil, and I'm actually wearing the shade Chai Time today on my lips, if you didn't notice.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice, Megs. Like Burt's Bees.
Yes, Burt's Bees.
Really? Okay. We only got a minute left. We got 2 more products to go. What do we got?
So this is the Philips Sonicare Power Flosser, flossing reinvented with quad stream technology. So it actually has an X novel for water streams, removes up to 99.9% of plaque. Okay. And then the last product here is Pampers Easy Up's My Little Pony training underwear. So, if parents want to make potty training fun for their kids, these have super cute designs, a stretchy 360 waistband, and leak guard barriers because, accidents happen.
In a former life, I used those a lot, so it's good. But that is a new product. Okay, so where do people go to vote on these nominees?
Yeah, so, we actually get a whole bunch of different ways of consumers to vote. We survey our Shopper Army members. We have our own shopper panel, so maybe some of your viewers will be lucky enough. But if they do want to check out more of the nominees, we have a full list.
Okay, where?
At newnoteworthy.com.
Newnoteworthy.com. That's it.
Yeah.
Bye-bye. Have a good day,
you.
everybody. Thanks, Mags.